my new shoes are so shiny.
They look wonderful, sweetie.
They'll be perfect for our hike.
Here you go, sweetie.
Thank you, Mom. I have snacks.
Great teamwork, everyone.
Look, kids, a viewpoint.
Go on, run.
This is such a beautiful image.
What a beautiful day for a hike.
Yeah, I can't wait to see the waterfall. Me too. And the big rocks.
Stay close, everyone.
Okay, Mom. Right here, Dad.
Good, stay together.
So beautiful, the rain.
Enjoy, everybody. Enjoy, everyone.
Yes, Dad. I'm enjoying the hiking.
Careful steps, everyone. Okay, let's get this tent up.
I've got this side steady. Pushing the pole in.
Steak's almost in.
Want one? Yes, please. That was sweet of you.
This is nice.
Dad, I'm so happy.
Enjoy it, son.
All right, everyone, time to pack up.
Okay, let's do it slowly. The ground is still a bit damp.
We'll be careful. Mom, I'm enjoying this moment. The sky is clear.
Me too, sweetie. It's so peaceful. This is so peaceful.
I love this walk.
Me too, family.